How to create serialized TIFF with Raster Image Printer 12. TIFF Image Printer 12 uses profiles, which are a group of settings to create the output image you want. TIFF Image Printer comes with a few system profiles, including color optimized TIFF, monochrome TIFF, fax TIFF, and serialized color optimized TIFF. To create a sequence of single-paged color TIFF images, simply set the profile Serialized Color Optimized TIFF as TIFF Image Printer's default profile. Note that all of the following information also applies if you're creating TIFF images with your Raster Image Printer. Double-click on the TIFF Image Printer icon on your desktop to launch the TIFF Image Printer dashboard. If you have removed the TIFF Image Printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to TIFF Image Printer. Select Printer Management. Beside TIFF Image Printer, drop the box for the printing profile and select Serialized Color Optimized TIFF as your default profile. Printer Management also allows you to rename the printer and create multiple copies of the printer. Close Printer Management. And now each time you print a TIFF Image Printer, it will automatically apply the settings stored in the Serialized Color Optimized TIFF profile to your output TIFFs. Our system profile, Serialized Color Optimized TIFF, is configured to create a serialized TIFF image at 300 dpi with colors reduced to optimal palette. Selecting the TIFF serialized output type means that TIFF Image Printer will create a single-page TIFF image for each page of the document you are printing. By default, the created sequence of TIFF images will be named using the file name from the print job, _00, and the page number. You can adjust the file name settings on the File Name Creator tab under When Serialized. You can also append serialized TIFF images to an existing sequence by enabling Append Pages to an existing sequence of files. If you make any changes to our default settings, you will need to save your own custom profile. For the purposes of this example, I am happy with the system profile, Serialized Color Optimized TIFF, so I will not save this duplicate profile. Close the Profile Manager and the dashboard. Open the document you want to convert to TIFF. Select File, Print, select the TIFF Image Printer as your printer, click Print to send the file to the TIFF Image Printer. And then set the name and save location of your new TIFF image. And now files printed to TIFF Image Printer will be color and serialized. Try out our Raster Image Printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Click the link below to download a free trial.